Welcome back. In this section, we're going to build this amazing application called Lottery Numbers Generator. This application will allow you to master implicit and explicit intents. Also, we're going to review the previous Android concepts. And moreover, we're going to introduce new concepts such as random class, how to generate random numbers in Android, also how to pass data between activities and share data among other applications. For example, this is our main activity. Enter your name, Jack, generate random numbers. It will direct the user to the second activity. The second activity will generate random numbers from 1 to 42. Also, this activity will allow the user to share these numbers with his name with email application. So share my lottery numbers. I'll use Gmail. I'm going to generate this email with the title Jack. You can see Jack is the username. I passed Jack from main activity to the second activity, and the second activity share it with the Gmail application. Also, I'm going to share these numbers, these generated numbers with the Gmail application. This is the template for every email that my application will generate. This is a very important and amazing application to master implicit and explicit intents and to learn how to pass data from one activity to another and how to pass data from your application to other applications.